Hey, welcome everyone. Thanks so much for being here. Make sure that you use the chat and tell us who you are and where you're from. We do this every Tuesday at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, where we give you corporate updates and you have an opportunity to ask our founder, Justin Milibaba, your questions, and we'll answer you right here live on Facebook. So I'm going to start, as always, with some corporate updates and then turn it on over to Justin, and you'll have an opportunity to ask your questions. So make sure that you use the chat and say hello. Hey, Mark, welcome. Nice to see y'all here this morning. Hello. Okay, there we go. Now I start seeing the comments. It's like, oh, are we having connection issues? Not today. It's good. All right. So I'm going to start with some done for you marketing that we already have ready to go. Okay. So right now, done for you campaigns, we have doTERRA, Tradera, Epic, Isogenics, Be Epic, Ambit Energy, iBoomerang, Young Living, Organo, World Ventures, Melaleuca, and Legal Shield. I'm going to read the list to you once again. You could always find this list by going to your Now Site Marketing link. Click on Get Started, and you can pull down the organizations, and you can see each one of the organizations that we have ready for done for you campaigns. But I'll read the list again one more time. It's doTERRA, Tradera, Epic, Isogenics, Be Epic, Ambit Energy, iBoomerang, Young Living, Organo, World Ventures, Melaleuca, and Legal Shield. Coming up, we have ACN, Stream Energy, Limitless Worldwide, and possibly Banner Season. There's quite a few others that are on that list. If you have a recommendation for done for you campaigns, you could always email me, Cheryl@now.site. So super excited. We continue to release more and more done for you campaigns, and people are having great success with them. So I'm super excited to release even more this week. We have SMS coming November 20. Sorry. Okay, we have SMS coming November 2020. And I'm going to just quickly go over the pricing for everyone, because if you bundle before October 31st, or you get in before October 31st, SMS will be included in your subscription. So marketing customers paying inside of the US and Canada paying $87, the Entrepreneur Plan and higher by October 31st. We'll have 250 SMS and 5 keywords included in their subscription. Marketing and life customers. So when you bundle by October 31st, you'll have 1,000 SMS and 10 keywords included in your subscription. After that, the SMS add-on will be $10 for 250 SMS and 3 keywords. So it's great to get in, have it included in your subscription, and also use that bundle pricing to have that 1,000 SMS included already. Outside of Canada and the US, international pricing, Now Site Marketing customers on the $87 Entrepreneur Plan and higher by October 31st will have 50 SMS and 5 keywords included in there.
Am I distracting you?
No.
I got some beverage complexity happening. Carry on.
Okay. Now Site Marketing customers international by October 31st will have 50 SMS and 5 keywords included. And Now Site Marketing and life customers paying the full bundled price by October 31st will have 200 SMS and 10 keywords included in their subscription. So that's the international pricing post-launch. SMS add-on will be $10 for 50 SMS and 3 keywords, right? So also, today at 1 p.m. EST, we do our marketing overview. Today will be a brand new marketing overview. So you want to make sure that you attend and invite your guests. It's going to be amazing. You could always find the link for that in your calendar. So go inside of your account, click on the support button, training and resources, and then you'll see the calendar and make sure that you're inviting to that event. So Laura Smith, I saw that right here, ask a question if the newsletter is coming. So we'll be putting out a newsletter here as well once a week, and we're already starting to gather information and send it out to everyone. So I think it'll be great to keep everyone updated. Okay, so that's my announcements. I'm going to turn it on over to you, Justin.
Thanks.
Yep.
Hello, everyone. Yeah. lots more stuff. So we are, for all intents and purposes, we're at the, we're at the end of this back office, project situation. So please, if you have any issue, you shouldn't have any, like you should be able to see everything. Everything should be working perfectly. So if for whatever reason it's not, in your like affiliate kind of commission section, don't sit silently. Let us know. We'll look into it. But happily, that's almost behind us, or it is. Other than if there's any kind of lingering issues, so just know that like as far as we know, everything's working exactly the way it should now. So if you have a problem, reach out to support. What else? Lots. Life translation of the life product should be this week. The big thing that we're releasing, I think, tomorrow, is the new massively enhanced website builder. So multiple pages, side by side feature building. It's a huge upgrade. I think we're going to release that tomorrow, and I think overnight, like tonight, like overnight tonight, we're going to be doing the big giant like migration so that all of your existing websites will have these additional capabilities when we flick the switch tomorrow. So some people have been asking me like, oh, so do I have to build my websites over again? No. You'll like your existing sites will just be kind of like enabled with these new capabilities. But we have to run that process tonight. It's going to take, I don't know, 8 hours or something to migrate the 250,000 websites in the system. So if that all goes perfectly, then first thing tomorrow we'll flick the switch. So yeah, pretty big. What else? What else? Like big stuff. I mean, the done for you automation, we're doing a lot of work on that, so that when someone signs up, everything is like completely instantly configured for them. That's a big focus. Well, we also have this, I mean, we've got the SMS thing, obviously, but I'll tell you, okay, I'll tell you, we're also working on, and I wasn't going to mention it, but whatever. We're also working on a huge enhancement to the email feature, to basically eliminate, like, just to kind of like improve delivery, make delivery perfect, eliminate any kind of like spam nonsense. Well, look, if you're spamming, you're still going to go to spam. Spammers go to spam, but everyone else, we are in the process of implementing a new solution that will eliminate that problem permanently, and that is also scheduled for November. So if you have had a challenge with that, just know that we're on it in a really big way, and it's really exciting. And I will share a lot more about that in the weeks ahead. So stay tuned for that. And no, there's no extra fees. No, like we're not going to change it. Yeah, any pricing. It's just going to be a lot better. And what else? Oh my gosh. I think those are kind of the main things. Like we'll add clickable images and websites, I think, in the next couple weeks. I think we're also going to finally add like filtering inside your email campaigns in your website section, so you can kind of like sort by alphabetical or newest to oldest, or sold based on views, or sort based on organizations, and things like that, just to kind of make that section more organized. Yeah, it's a really, really long list. Man, November's going to be, well, the rest of October and November is going to be like insane, in a good way. Can't wait. Yeah, but those are the main highlights. Okay, so questions.
Questions. All right. So lots of excitement as always. I'm looking forward, lots of people looking forward to the website builder.
Yeah.
Deneen is funny. She said, hey, what did I miss? Deneen, I think she was being funny. Nikki says, hi, Nikki says, the done for you sites are $19 a month, correct? I know this, you can only promote your company, am I correct? For the $19 a month, you get like one organization.
Yeah.
One for you campaign, yes.
Yeah. If you are on the Entrepreneur Plan 87, you have unlimited access to all the done for you campaigns.
Yeah. Tony, I see you're saying that Melaleuca Organo. I went to the checkout page while Justin was chatting. Just go to your link. You can see them right at the pull down. Melaleuca and Organo. They're all listed there. Are we getting folders for websites? I think you talked about that with filtering.
Yeah, no, not folders.
Yeah.
Filters. Filters are better.
Agreed.
You don't want folders? Meh. Filters.
Yeah. Excited. What do I do if I want to sign back up? Email support@now.site.
Yeah.
Search filters in our affiliate back office would be greatly appreciated too. Search filters in our affiliate back office.
Oh, yeah. Unfortunately, that's not our product.
And those are all, as soon as I don't, and those are, let me see. There's like lots of excitement, but not a lot of questions. People are just excited about what's to come. Okay, Annette says the $10 for SMS as of November are monthly or one time?
Monthly. Unless you only want to use them once.
Right. We done got that one. Yeah. Okay. Natasha says, is there any way to run the ads without having 100 visitors? If someone just starts, it's not easy to get 100 visitors, especially if he has no ads referring to his website. Man.
Yeah, you got to talk to Google about that. That's a Google policy, not us. Believe me. Look, it doesn't help us at all either, right? It's not like we're just like, let's make life harder for people.
Yeah. Right?
That is absolutely a Google retargeting rule. There is no way around it. And there's nothing we can do. Google makes the rules.
Right.
But we are the only company, as far as I know, that actually provides supplemental clicks to help people get to that minimum threshold. And that's really like, that's kind of like a cool, underrated thing that we do. Because to your point, it's not that easy for someone who's new to online marketing to actually get 100. Like, what if you only get 80? Right? You get 80 visitors. You still want to advertise to them. You still want to get that retargeting turned on. So what we do behind the scenes is we will actually drive, more clicks, right? We'll kind of like attribute more clicks to your site to get you over the hump. So that's cool. It's a neat little value add that we do that no one else does.
Okay. There's some questions that you're gonna love. Hold on. Okay. How about access link to our referral link from? I know.
Okay.
Okay. How about access link to our referral link from mobile?
How about what?
Access link to our referral link from mobile. I guess, can they get their?
Oh, you want to see your link in in the mobile app? Yeah, that's fair.
Yeah. What if someone sent out a sample site without their link and they signed up under the wrong person by accident? What can we do?
Just contact support.
Yep. Can you explain exactly where the leads come from besides those that fill in the contact form?
No, I mean,
contact form.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's it.
Mark would like Google's phone number, and so would Natasha. So this is from, may we buy additional retargeting ads?
No, it's funny. People are people don't realize, like, not only I'm not aware of any other company that does Zoom support, like live support, video conference, right? Like, I don't know of any other company that does that. Except maybe Zoom. I don't know. Maybe they do it. But we do it. And then, but like most software companies, they don't do that. They don't get on the phone. They just do kind of like over email. It's like really, really rare, especially at the price point that we have. And we don't put like restrictions or limits on it. I just wanted to say that because there's just nobody else who does that.
Yeah.
Period.
Support. So Bob says, can we buy additional retargeting ads?
Not yet. And honestly, the only reason we haven't built that is because no one's really asking for it.
Yeah.
Like, we try to like listen hard to what people want, and we're not getting a lot of requests.
So this is from Tony. He says, for Done For You, he understands that we don't have corporate approvals. So I guess, are we in some kind of violation for using their logos and things like that?
For what?
Done For You.
No. What was the question?
It says, I understand we do not have corporate approvals. So yeah. We're just building the promos in an effort to recruit. Are we in New York?
We're not using them, right? Yeah. Like, look, here's like a mental exercise for you to kind of like, this is like kind of just like a thought experiment. If you are an affiliate of company ABC, there are assets that you are allowed to use, right? You could hire a web developer to build you an ABC company kind of affiliate site. Clearly, you could do that, right? So what is the difference between that and us saying, oh, you're with that company, here's one pre-built for you? There's no difference, right? People think like there are very, like, the good news is there's actually like laws, right, about like fair use and trademarks and things like that. We understand them extremely well, right? We've it's not like I'm just sitting here just making, like, we talk to our lawyers, we talk to, we get advice from trademark lawyers. So we know what we're doing. There is nothing to prevent us from obtaining publicly available assets, building something, and allowing someone who's permitted to use those assets to have access to it.
Yeah.
Right? It is totally analogous to you hiring a website developer to build that site for you. We just did it first, and then you buy it from us when it's already done. There's literally no difference.
Do we know the BV on $10? So they,
4.
Yeah, 4. But remember, they're a customer, and then they're adding the SMS. I have one of my
on the SMS $10. Yeah, we'll shit. Yeah, it's not 40%. It's less.
Yeah. I have another, Barbara. Somebody put his friend and put his name in instead. This is a support thing. I guess there was a problem with someone signing up, and he put his friend's name or he put his name instead of his friend's name. Get with support. We have great Zoom support. You can log into your account, live video chat with them, and let them know what happened. You said that website update migration would take 8 hours overnight for you, but for France with the jet lag, Will the websites be accessible during the migration?
Yes, but not the entire thing. There'll be certain things that there'll be certain like the settings, like you may not be able to change the URL, for example. Like there's certain settings that are going to be locked down during the migration.
Tony, the done for you from Mel, Luke, they're there.
Sorry?
Tony's saying I don't see the done for you funnels from Mel, Luke, Organo. They're there.
They're there.
Yesterday. Yep.
Yeah, clear your cache.
Yep. Are you, Kelvin says, are you able to send a broadcast email on the contact list outside of our email campaign? Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right. So
pick the list. It says email this list in the contact section. You can just send whatever email you want.
Yeah. I check. But let me see. Wait, I checked back office this morning to set up my done for yous, but only the same 8 were there. When was prepaid, organic, etc. added to the back office? Prepaid, you mean Legal Shield, and Organo, I think that you're trying to say, added to the back office. If you want to add an organization, you have to change the organization, right? Make sure that you're adding the organization over to the left.
Left side menu, right in the middle where it says Now Site. Click on that, and then you'll have the option to add other companies. And inside those companies, join the team. And in the content section for that team, you'll find all the content. And I think we're on the training, and like if you click the support button, there's a training and resources thing, and there's a video in there of exactly how to do that.
Yeah. Lots of love for customer service and Zoom support. Michael says, Michael Pendleton, hi. Are leads coming from search engine you guys have partnered with?
No, not like, no. There might be like a few still, but like very like I think probably 0.
Annette says outstanding support. Can't can't have Google on a Zoom. Love.
No, you can't even call Google. Like that's just so funny. Like you can't. I mean, like the average person can't like call Google. You can't like find the number for Facebook. If you find it, let me know, because I got a bone to pick with those guys. But like literally, like most of these companies that they don't do it. They don't get on the phone. They don't get on Zoom.
Yeah. Your customer support is best. What's the date SMS is released?
November.
Melvin said
as soon as it's ready in November.
Melvin says NowState is the only company that has a Justin and Coco.
That's true.
Can we please get more different and current suggested marketing posts instead of having to go hunt for them ourselves? So you get suggested marketing posts every day. You don't have to go hunt for them themselves. You can have them post it. The suggested marketing posts that are given to you are ones that have been tested, they're clicked on, people interact with them. You want to use those articles, right? Let the artificial intelligence do the work. I was asked yesterday, reposting blogs. Some posts are banned from reposting. Is there something about our blogs? What?
I don't understand that. And we're not like we're just linking to the original content. Everyone wants that. Mm-hmm. The publishers want that. We're not like taking someone's content and pretending like it's ours and we're putting it over here. Like that's not what we're doing, right? Like you post it either with a form or without, right? If there's no form, it takes them straight to the content, which drives traffic to that content publisher, makes them very happy. Or it takes them to a form. You fill in the form, you capture the lead, and then it still takes them onto the publisher's original site. No one on earth has a problem with this.
Yeah.
It's exactly what publishers want. They want more eyeballs on their site.
You generate the lead. Can we sell the done for you already in Europe and translate it ourselves, or that doesn't make sense for the moment? So I think we talked about done for you in other languages, right? And we want to give us information to.
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I can't. Let me be super clear. We're happy to do translated done for yous when you ask for them with a good reason. Just like in English, we're just not getting any requests from you guys.
Yep.
Have we had any?
No.
No, you haven't asked.
Send them. You have send it to email charlottenow.site. If you have
And
more,
why?
thank you.
And why, we should do this one in German or this one in Spanish. Like, we want to know why. What is the big reason? Because we have this, this huge team and they want to blah 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 blah, right? But it's not that we're not interested. We're just not, like, you got to ask for it.
More than just a company name, please.
Yeah.
Why isn't it done for you campaign already available for promoting Now site? There is.
It is.
So make sure that you join the Now site marketing team. There's done for you funnels in there. Lots of content too, like all of our training, videos, resources, done for you videos. Like people ask me, where's our marketing presentation? Where's the video that we just did for compensation, which was amazing. Like all of those videos and the presentation are all in the marketing or Now site marketing team inside of that section. So you can find a bunch of great stuff over there. Oh, look at, there's DePaul. He said you need to be in the Now site marketing team in your back office to see in the content section. Is there an email campaign coming for Now site without the business site, please? Like product only, I think, Greg. Well, we do a product only Now site marketing, I think. Is that what you're asking? And yes. When will the system migration be? Overnight tonight, right?
Yep, that's the plan. So, like, what we can't control is what we don't know. Like, we can't control exactly how this is going to go. So if everything goes well, like the new website builder tested, it's great. On staging, we've got to migrate everyone's sites, and then we got to release the new feature. So if everything goes well, it'll all go live, in the next 24 hours. But of course, if it doesn't go perfectly, then it won't.
Justin, you don't have Zuckerberg's private number?
No.
Terry Buico does do a phenomenal job. Make sure that you, he has a marketing overview today at 1. It'll be a brand new marketing overview. Make sure to join him and invite your guests. My question was about adding my link to Organo and prepaid, not join those team. I didn't see the companies you mentioned this morning. The company?
Clear your cache.
Mm-hmm. Adding.
But also, wait a minute. You're already a customer, so yeah, you got to join the organization.
Yeah.
So look up Legal Shield. Like, go to, left side menu, click on Now site, right in the middle of the menu, add organization. Mm-hmm. Right? Legal Shield. Search, find it, join the organization. Teams. Done for you. What's the team called?
Legal Shield, done for you. You can always search it by done. Like when I
search done, and the team will come up, and everything's there. It's there.
It's all there. Yeah. And like Ian, you're saying you have to change the organization over to the left to find them. No. Okay, done. Yes. Natasha, yes, if you have German, French, send your request to charlottenow.site. Ginny says Susan Bach is amazing, her life coach.
Awesome.
Mark says, I bet Mark.
Yeah, I'm sure he does.
Worst case scenario on the website timeline then?
I don't know, right? It depends.
Yeah.
Like, it should be tomorrow. And if it's not, it's because something unforeseen went wrong. So
yeah.
What is it? How big a problem? right? Did everything blow up? Did the office burn down? Depends what goes wrong.
That software.
Though the office burning down would not be that big a problem. It's all in the cloud.
There you go.
And no one's here anyway.
I say it's just somebody.
Yeah.
Yep. Type it as one word. Awesome. Yeah. Are we having an event before?
Good question.
Yeah, we are. We talked about that on the Now Club, and we have some great. We'll be starting to share more and more about the event. But the event date. Can I give out the date for the event? December 5th. December 5th will be our next event. We'll put out more details for the event shortly. Okay.
Jonathan, you keep asking. We keep telling you. Why isn't a Done For You campaign available for Now Site services? It is.
It's there.
You got to join the Now Site marketing team, dude.
Yeah. So join the Now. You're already in Now Site. Click on Join a Team and search for Now Site Marketing. Is it a live and in-person event? I wish it was a live and in-person event. No. I miss our live and in-person events. So many memories.
I'm not allowed to go anywhere.
We're all going. We'll keep being virtually.
You guys can all come to Toronto, do your 2-week quarantine, and then we'll have a live in-person event, though we'd be limited to 10 people indoors. So if that sounds good, you're more than welcome here.
Just 10 of us. Hold on, I missed it. Famous last words of software developers. It depends. So what does the $10 SMS include? Is the SMS feature billed per text or a flat monthly fee inside of the US? $10 SMS is 250 SMS and 5 keywords outside. It's 50 SMS and 3 keywords, and it's billed monthly.
Yeah. There's no like you might have unlimited texting, right? Like we all do, but there's no marketing product that is like unlimited SMS marketing. Like it's not a thing.
Do we have to have Now Site on our post? Do we have to have Now Site? Okay, this is from Drina. Do we have to have Now Site on our posts as published by Now Site? Do you know what that means?
Nope.
Hey, Drina, can you give us more info on that question? I'm sorry, I'm not sure what that means. Only Now Site. Okay, I don't want to join other teams, only Now Site. I want to add my affiliate link to Organo prepaid I did with doTERRA, clear the cache. Okay, you're talking about the Done For You website that has the video in it. I'm waiting. The Done For You website will probably be added today with all the different organizations. I'm with you now. Now I got you. There you go. Thank you.
I don't understand, but if you do, that's good.
I'm with you. From Mary, when will Legal Shield be done? Legal Shield is done.
It's done.
It's done.
It's a good idea to not call them prepaid legal because you will not find that.
And Legal Shield is one word. Okay, Legal Shield, one word. How many outdoors in Canada, Mark? What's outdoors in Canada? December 5th. I love you all.
It's not a great idea, and the limit is 25 people, so that doesn't really make things much better, and in many ways much worse.
It'll be freezing. Look, the people are vouching for their seat. We're gonna have 50 plus people here.
50. I mean, you know, we need a few more than that.
Up on Zoom support, yeah. I think it's on the Done For You funnel websites are yes, the videos are already done. They'll be put back there, Joyce. Is airfare to Toronto included?
Absolutely.
Is the clickable image develop going great?
It's going great, Melvin. It's a simple little feature, and so the big feature is the thing that we're talking about now, which is the multiple pages, side by side building. So that's the big thing that, I mean, it's been several weeks of effort. When that's released, hopefully tomorrow, then, and like we're like in the next 2 weeks, like the new sprint that we're actually just starting today, clickable images, JavaScript, like external JavaScript in the code snippet, which is not fully supported right now. HTML, CSS, yes. JavaScript, no. So we're going to add JavaScript. And maybe like a countdown timer feature if we have time. Like little things, you know. We might do clickable images in email as well if we have time this sprint.
Awesome, Greg. I'm glad you like the World Ventures. We can share photos from Vegas there. Is the 3-click marketing affecting the Facebook algorithm? Doesn't have engagement on them. Write a little post, write a little info on there. We talk about this all the time in some of our training. When you do 3-click marketing, give people some reason to click.
And use a like right now, like we've enabled both links and images. So I would use both types of post.
Yeah. When can we change the URL through mobile for clickable images?
Oh, yeah. Good one. You should be able to do that. I agree.
Yeah. Something big to look forward to in our future. Can't wait until we can all get to come to Canada. I know. Me too. I miss coming. And have
Oh, that's cool, Mark Rodriguez. Thanks, buddy. Nice to meet you.
Where? Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah. I haven't. Hey, Markeisha, Primerica, Tori Bell. I haven't had requests for either one. Send me a request and add the why you think they would be great. Can do a lot of things with JavaScript. Agree?
Yeah. Totally.
Because they aren't clicking. Yeah. Serena says this, and definitely all the time. It's great ad. She says, do you mean likes and comments? Because just because they don't like or comment doesn't mean they aren't clicking on it. Check your analytics and see what kind of engagement you get. Often a reminder from Serena to all of us, make sure that you're checking your analytics. Can we do in-person, in all seriousness, when can we do in-person events again? Toronto would be a great location, including a
Toronto would not be a great location. Like we can't. Like literally 10 people is the maximum, that you're allowed. Different states have different, rules right now. I mean, I would love to do an event. My problem is that I leave Canada to do the event for like one day. I come back to Canada. I have to stay in my home for 2 weeks. Like that sucks, right? Like I don't want to do that at all. So that's what I'm facing.
One sec. Drina, what? Okay, I saw it. Drina, one sec. When I post 3-click, it always says publish by now site on my post. I haven't seen that.
Me neither.
I have. I see them all the time. I haven't seen publish by now site on my post. Send me a screenshot, Drina. I'll take a look. I got that one. One sec. Yeah, awesome. Your code snippet makes it really easy to add countdown timer. Kelvin says, are the Done For You members able to share and enroll new members now or plans in the future?
Yeah, so, well, first of all, sure, share away. But we're actually going to be adding very soon, maybe this week, a 3 equals free for Done For You people. So those people that are coming in at 19, right? They will have, they're not part of the like we have our affiliate compensation. They're not eligible at 19. You got to be at 87 to participate in that, in our whole comp plan, right? But to drive more sharing, at the 19, we are going to be introducing a 3 equals free opportunity. And I think that's going to be really, really helpful for that viral sharing that we're looking for inside large teams.
Can't believe we didn't mention that earlier. Phone numbers in the CRM. Can we add, or what?
Oh, you mean like in the yeah, dude, I know. I'm with you. It's not as simple as it seems, and so it keeps getting kind of pushed because it's not that big a deal. But I understand, and it's on, like, believe me, it's on the list. It's yeah. I'm with you, Michael.
There's a few things going on. Just change, Jeff. Just change your last name to Case.
Yeah.
Just in case.
Or time. I've heard it all before, buddy.
I haven't heard that one. So Eric says send an email with Done For You. Like if you have a company that you'd like to be added to Done For You and why it needs to be added to the lineup. Agreed. Better and better. Agree, Val. Any other questions? Did I miss your question? Any other questions? Yeah, lots of excitement for 3 equals free.
Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, I think that's gonna be great.
Me too. Okay, reminder today at 1, you have the overview with Terry, and it'll be a brand new overview. So super excited about that. Make sure that you're inviting your guests, and we continue to add Done For You. If you have a suggestion, email me, Cheryl@now.site. Make sure that you add not just the company name, but why.
Why?
Be a great fit. Why is important. Thank you. If we have two different companies with 2 different ads, can we get retarget? Wait. If we have 2 different companies with 2 different ads, can we get retargeting for each ad?
Yes.
We get retargeting for each ad. We have 2 different companies with 2 different ads.
Wait, for each, you don't retarget and wait, hold on.
Yeah.
There's no retargeting on an ad. An ad is the ad. You mean a website?
I think they want to do retargeting for 2 different websites. Sonia, if I'm
okay.
Yeah. Training, yes. So
Drew, that's funny.
Where? Oh, Justin, it is funny. Yes, 1 p.m. EST for today. Light Vantage is on the list, Sue. Great suggestion for sure. Training for newcomers is tomorrow. Make sure that you check your calendar. It's at 3 p.m. EST. It's a weekly training, getting started training. It's at 3 p.m. EST. Also, we're on the correct side of the screen.
Yeah, that was just last time, Melvin, because our regular broadcast thing wasn't working, so we had to do Zoom, and yeah. Hey, that's live TV for you, buddy.
Wasn't the same. Retargeting is based on which sites are AI activated.
That's right. Yes.
Love the program. Jenny. Yep. Susan Bach.
Thanks, Jenny.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
I think we answered all the questions. So you can find the list of Done For You campaigns. Go to your link, click on Get Started, and you can drop down the menu of available Done For You campaigns. Today at 1 o'clock, make sure that you, Eastern Standard Time, make sure that you join Terry for the Now Site Marketing Overview and invite your guests. If you have Done For You campaign suggestions, email me, Cheryl@now.site, and put your name of your company and why you think it would be a great fit. Lots of great stuff coming out this week. Horizontal building for your landing pages, big landing page update, and more. Okay. Finished it all. All right, guys. Did I miss something?
Well, payment, commissions. Do you contact support or commissions? It doesn't matter. It all goes it goes to one, and then it gets kind of triaged from there. So support at now.site, commissions at now.site. If you have a commission question, it'll go straight to the commission inbox if you send it to commissions@now.site.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Thanks, everybody. Bye.
Bye-bye.